Hello, and welcome to the final lesson of our course. Now you've explored all the relevant tools for using SEMrush's Social Media Toolkit to beat your competition online in social media. Still, we would not be professionals if we did not report the results of our efforts to our clients and stakeholders. Fortunately, SEMrush offers the PDF Reporter, a flexible tool for reporting the information you may feel is most relevant to those stakeholders. To explore this tool, create a campaign report for our stakeholders. If we return to the sidebar menu, under Management, we can see the menu for My Reports. If we click the plus symbol, we are prompted to create a new PDF report. By clicking blank, we are taken to the report builder. We just need to click the Social Media Tool option to see the report widgets that we may find the most useful to present. Dragging and dropping the widgets from the sidebar into our report window presents us with some parameters for creating a completely customizable report. Note that clicking the star next to the report in the sidebar will favorite it, while clicking the info circle will show you a preview of how that widget might look in your report.
There are a couple of ways you can organize these reporting widgets. One way is to think about them in terms of data type. For example, table, bar, chart, trend, or line graph. Another way to think about the organization of your custom report is to think in terms of internal versus external. Some of these charts, like the engagement trend by type chart, will report data about just one of your channels. Other charts, like the competitors comparison trend engagement chart, will show your client how you are competing against certain competitors. You can set your competitors list using other tools found in Domain Analytics.
Our favorites include the Social Media Activity, Facebook Reactions Distribution, Social Media Audience Trend, and Social Media Competitors widgets.
One of the powerful aspects of Report Builder is that you can create reports that juxtapose data visualizations side by side, while organizing the page layout using elements like headers, text boxes, images, columns, and page breaks. You will want to be sure to upgrade your SEMrush account so that you can use your own logos on the cover page, a nice touch that your clients will appreciate.
Once you're done setting up your report, be sure to edit your cover page. But remember that you can edit it later by clicking Quick Modify. Now let's finish the report by clicking the Generate PDF Report button. We are given the option to email this report, schedule it if we want it to recur on a regular basis, and we can also enable a table of contents. Finally, we just need to click Save Settings, then Generate. The report is now generated and it will automatically download to our designated downloads folder on our device. Let me remind you that clients like to see data in different forms. So when you send a monthly report to your client, send several that paint clear but diverse views. For example, try sending the Social Media Activity Report, the Facebook Reactions Distribution Report, the Social Media Audience Trends Report, and the Social Media Competitors Report. Second, recall that you can generate a PDF report from the Social Media Tracker by clicking PDF on the appropriate page. Third, if you get lost or need some inspiration, head to the Tutorials button. Tutorial buttons are found throughout SEMrush's tools to assist you in creating an effective workflow. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, get a native speaker to proof your social media posts. Nothing turns potential customers off faster than a post full of misspellings, poor grammar, or out-of-context content. As with all new tools, practice makes perfect. So try the tools we mentioned today. Now go forth and market. Good luck.